terms of Christianity and Christian values. We have a culture and a norm that we believe in, and we don't understand or we abhor any foreign culture and accept and the misuse of our tradition, of who we are as human beings. We believe as human beings we must procreate, we must live together, but there is no way we shall procreate if we accept same-sex marriages. There is no way we shall procreate and have future generations if we accept promotion of same-sex marriage and lesbianism and homosexuals in our secondary schools. Therefore, I stand with other godly people, I stand with other godly leaders who believe in Christian values, who believe in values that we must coexist, we must make sure we procreate and as a human generation. I thank you. Skarhanga kandi nijekera abantu ba Rwampara East Constituency rizoba twantugamba akizibe kiri nkibaho mashomero gitu ekyo promoting Bitingwa bakabyegesa abana ekitwebuza itwe nk'abantu twena tugira ngo ihanga ryitu rya Uganda ryemerera musinje go kwikiriza ngo ruhangareho kandi ruhanga kango mukazi n'umusheija ngo bazare bakanye bategekensi itwite twagira ngo twikirize Bitingwa ndutsa twahikiriza ikitwikiriza mu kabanya Uganda itwe twikiriza ngo Uganda irahabwa arahanga kandi tutekwa kwikiriza engesho ezo bwarahanga zerafa nyonko moyembezi ninjumerera kandi nishabana abanyadini bona batwase turebeke ngo batushabera twayemerera amazima twagama amazima twabo busingi tukuza kwikiriza amashomero gito abana bitu bato kugenda bakaza kupromotinga Bitingwa ku mashomero gitu twe turonka yembezi rekiraje kirije nza kucyagera tureke ngo twayiho kupromotinga engeshombi ezitari mu bwarahanga. Of course umwebembezi we na hari itwita kuterwa karuru umuga gwite no go kushomesa abantu kubajekera kandi ukakora nabo konga ntwikiriza ngo abantu bitu nbazomaramizo bursande ningoro akashatu ningoro akatano itwitwe ntubasa kuteka hembere yo kurete ntunguka konge ntunguka etari mungesho tekwasa kubaho engesho zona morals spiritual being ntubyiho maramizo gitu so ntushaba abanyadini bona ejuru no rutaru rwabo no rutaru rwitu gabembezi no rutaru munonga rw'abanyadini bareke ngo twaguma abohangwa bwensi ikuko buri na no buhango bwarahanga batwase bwo murimo reke ngo twatereze jembere mwibare.
Yes, Uganda mwe bari munonga kuri NKORE Media mwe bari kugihindura number 1 kandi ogu honorable kandi tumukwasireho ogwa mukaga abirajya kushaba kandi abajya kuwirukirira Uganda Martyrs habasize kuba nabahiro bukade bubiri ikintu kikagenda mu misho honorable no wagwampara East kandi najangu bonka nka Uganda itwe tukubasa kwikiriza ibintu bya homosexual yahurire mboziye nabasaga na NKORE Media namba 052 kandi ogwe dio mswaga pro of savage najyo mfirdi na Beazin nabariyo nabandi bari kutagira kandi office tuzijyaro hajiru kwa Go Plaza abajwanyuka shaka blessings ja bless.